Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I'll have a question with this video for you. Will be if you are happy with your internet service provider or not. And you can also post which one you are actually subscribed to. So the FCC did a review of internet service providers, and one of the reasons for it is to see if maybe there needs to be some regulation for ISPs. And the ISPs argued that their customer service is already top-notch and that any new regulations are unnecessary. So this, of course, is kind of interesting. There's a lot of competition. They do say that competition is pushing providers to maintain excellent service and keep customers happy. Now, is that the reality? Well, here's the thing. Most or a lot of customers say that they experience poor service despite the claims. And for example, Xfinity users, some have complained that there's unexpected price hikes, that they're stuck with, going online into things that are automated or even automated services when calling. And that there's a clear gap between what ISPs say is great service and great customer service and what a lot of users are reporting. So this is kind of interesting to see that it's extremely different depending on who you are, the ISP or the customer. So, of course, this means that there will probably be more coming up now that the FCC also is having somebody new, Brendan Carr, that will be overseeing all of the regulations from the FCC. So, of course, the question will be to you guys, are you happy with your ISP? And if not, you can detail in the description and the comments below why, what happens, what you don't like or like of your internet service provider. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.